Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use display capture in OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. 1. Add a display capture source. Open OBS Studio. In the Sources panel, click the plus button. Select Display Capture and click OK. Choose the display you want to capture if you have multiple monitors. Click OK to add it. 2. Adjust the display capture. Resize and move. Drag the red border to adjust the size. Fit to screen. Right-click on the capture. Go to Transform, Fit to Screen. 3. Hide cursor or specific windows optional. To hide the cursor, uncheck Capture Cursor in the Display Capture settings. If you don't want certain windows to show, use Window Capture instead. 4. Start recording or streaming. Click Start Recording to save the screen capture. Click Start Streaming if you are broadcasting live. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Display Capture in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.